Good morning to all of you. Today we start the star formation and we are discussing about that. In the earliest stage, we know very well in when the universe is the universal in the process. At that time, the matter and the energy was not even in the at at that at that time. Uh, the matter and the energy, the both we can say the matter and energy two factor uh, two factor are included for the formation, and both the two factor are not on in a single unit. It is divided into the in the pores, and we can say the small unit in the formations in the universe, in all the objects. It's a time when there are no object at that time, and the formation included from matter and energy at that time. We can say the and the one thing also in included, universe can also calculate by the light years. How we can say the how many lights year in a per year, we can say the 3 lakh per seconds. It is the speed of the light, we can say the light speed. And the distance of the galaxy, we can say it should also calculate by the light. And the range of the galaxy, we can say range of galaxies, uh, 8,000 to 150,000 light year. We can say the universe and the galaxy is spreading day by day, and the vast area distance is calculated by the light years. You can say easily the galaxy starts to the formation by accumulation by the hydrogen gas in the formation of the very large cloud is called the nebula. The both matter and energy is included in the nebula, and the nebula is the part in which the process is start for the universe. And it is a nebula developing localized clumping of the gases. In the nebula, gases, matter and energy, these all the factors included in the nebula. And in we can say the processes of the large cloud. Here we are using the large cloud, not on the in atmosphere. It is in the universe, is called the large cloud. It is a process in we can say the large included the hydrogen hydrogen gas. Large cloud included the hydrogen gas, and due to this hydrogen gas, it is very vast area, and it's not a in every object it is included in a we can say in a group. On the behalf of hydrogen gas, they are becoming the groups of some things, and slowly it's the all the hydrogen groups this all the hydrogen groups, and according to the time it was densed. The density included time to time the matter is congested, and due to the matter congested and the objects in the solid forms is comes at that time, and we can say it's approximately near about the star formation. And the matter is congested, and the all the things in which we can say the matter and the energy and the gases in a single units, we can say in a uh, here I show the diagrams. They all the at that time it was in the matter is like this, and when the density is large and the matter is congested in the forms, and slowly it's like a this, and today we call this star. Here is the process and the formation of the stars. Now next part is the formation of planets. Here we know about the today the planets. How many planets? You know very well. Today we have 8 planet. Uh, Earlier we said that it was 9, but Pluto is not a planet. In 2014, in astronomy, uh, is not given that the Pluto is a planet, because there are some condition for a planet. Uh, Here we know the 8 planets, we can say. uh, Here I show you the first of all the Mercury, and the second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, and other is uh, Jupiter, and Saturn, and Uranus, and Neptune, and here also show the Plato also, but we cannot said about that because it is not a planet. Here we discussing about at that time we are according to the 9 planets. So we I discussed earlier the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, uh, Uranus, Neptune, and Plato, Pluto. Then the the formation of this planet. First of all, we discussing about the formation. The four here I can show the all the nebulas. Last we using this word nebula. Nebula is the formation of some solid part and the dark matter and the energy and the small objects. These all the small objects in included and become a big objects is called the stars. And these all the nebulas in which the parts and the objects are big, they are also congested and they are also included in all the things. They are also congested and we can say they all the objects near each and every, and he's become like a planet. And this is also the part of the gases within nebula, and the gravitational force within the lamps led to the formation of the core to the gaseous clouded and the huge rotation disk of the gases and the dust developing around the gases. The when the planets formation and the all the matters included the disk like a disk, and in this disk we can show the gaseous formations and the dust particulars. The dust particulars are we can say the dust particulars, they are also congested and their particulars is in a huge amounts, and they all the particulars also congested and become a as a solid formations, and these solid formation included in a big solid formations is today we call the planet. And this is the condition in we can say the clouded start getting the considering and the matter around the core, and this is the core we can say, and the matter is developing to in a similar small rounding of the object, and the small rounding objects by processing of the cohesion developing, and we can say the it is the planetesimal is developing at this moment. And the last staging the large number of the matters and plasticisms accumulated formed in a few bodies. We can say the all the few matters uh, their formation in a bodies, uh, and the bodies formation is called the planet. And next is our solar system. In solar system, last we become is in here also I show. First of all, the sun and Mercy, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. these all are the solar system. In the next video we are discussing about this all the solar systems and their all the planets, how we can say they are close to the sun, and they are far from the suns, and all the questions arising in our minds. But in the next video we are discussing about this all the planets. Here I show according to the star formation. Today is the topics. If you have any problem related this formation of stars and related this light year and range of galaxy nebulas and the formation of planets, we are discussing about the 8, and in your books it is a 9. Earlier it is a 9, but at that time it is a 8, and in discussing about that planets. And you can call me and you can discussing about this all the matters at that at in every time. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.